Hey, it's Jamila from Buy Pink, and I'm going to teach you how to make a baby turban out of an old t-shirt or leggings or any kind of stretchy material. It's really easy. So, first thing you're going to do is cut off the excess in strips. They don't have to be perfect. You're just going to use them to make the little donut piece that goes onto the baby turban. You're going to take your tool and wrap it around your fingers to make a like a donut or a bun, and then tuck the end to keep it from unraveling. Now grab your strips and using your strips continue to wrap them around. As you're wrapping, you want to make sure that you're straightening and pulling it tight so that it creates the knotted look. Keep wrapping until you get to the end of that. Now you're going to cut out your pattern. You want to make sure that the flat bottom of your pattern, which I have available on both SVG and PDF, a printable PDF, but make sure that the flat part of your bottom is um, on the end that stretches. So place down your pattern. I didn't pin it. I cut my pattern out of a piece of cardstock. It doesn't have to be a perfect cut, but just cut around your pattern. Now that you have your pattern cut out, go ahead and open it and lay it flat and grab your threaded needle, and you're going to start stitching, going back and forth all the way around. It's going to create like a puckered look, but just continue to go back and forth until you get to the end. Once you get to the end of your stitching, you're going to kind of straighten and pull tight. And this gives your little hat the form. Um, go ahead and stitch from where you ended to the other side to make the pucker. And sew it closed. Now that you have it sewn closed, grab your donut or your bun, whatever you want to call it, and you're going to stitch it on to the baby turban. And again, none of these stitches have to be perfect because most of, or you won't even see the stitches. So what I did was I just kind of did a few stitches right through the middle of my bun or donut through to the back of my turban and back through a couple times, and then I stitched around the outside just to kind of give it a little bit more of a sturdy hold. And this is a great thing to make and sell. These are very, very, very popular right now, especially with new moms. Uh, we love them for my granddaughter. Once you're all done stitching, your baby turban is done.